Hi guys, today we're going to make a volcano with Tita Katrin and Tita Aira. Let's go! Bye! So here are the ingredients / materials. We have food coloring for the lava.
Let's make it blood.
Air dry clay for the
Yeah, but
colored stick.
our tita just bought it.
Soda, baking soda,
Clay. We
Clay.
already have clay.
super cheap clay, cold water.
I want to drink it.
Make sure you have a lot of that. Dishwashing soap, you don't need a lot of that.
Yeah.
And measuring cups.
Yeah, I just want to throw it out the
and
window.
yeah, the big bowl to stir it all up.
Yeah. Carbon tape,
those are
scissors,
all
roller, and
yeah.
pencil. Yeah.
So over here we're making the volcano base.
Yeah, and I was just, playing at my iPad, doing nothing. Yeah.
So yeah, we're sticking the volcano onto the big
'Cause-
cardboard.
Yeah, I was doing that because they didn't need me right now.
Yeah. So you have to tape the sides so it's really strong and it doesn't. And duct tape, it's really hard to cut.
Yes.
As you can see.
Yep. And
Yes, my scissors got stuck. Alright, so Tita Katrin's measuring it so she knows what size we have to put it, like the bottle.
Tita Katrin is our mom's office mate.
So that's the Aira. And over here we're doing decoration. First we're making all the islands and shape sizes.
And I'm the boss there.
So yeah.
I'm
We have
boss.
Rivers, trees, boats.
I think we also need toothpicks so we can make trees. Right, Papa?
Now over here we're going to paint the volcano. I also paint the clay for some reason. The volcano is really, 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 really red.
Yeah, now it's too lazy.
Trees fell down. Alright, this is the test to see if it works.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It didn't overflow. I think you should put more. How does it smell like, me?
Yeah, it smells like vinegar.
That's our lava.
When Tita said I need to put 2 cups, go wild.
No, not 2 cups. 2 drops.
2 drops.
Or up to you.
Whoa, it's weird. So weird. Don't mix it too hard. Just softly. So, we put a water bottle down there, and then we have a funnel so that we can put this bread stuff in there carefully without spilling it. Oh my gosh. And this volcano is so cool. Yeah, we painted it. And this one don't have to make it. I'm just lazy. So really scoop it up. 3. Oh, 4. Alright, I'm gonna mix it. So you have to make a baking soda slowly. We have to mix it so it won't dissolve. So, what? No. Alright, so we're mixing this. Then when it's fully dissolved, we're gonna put it in and then kaboom! Kaboom!
Okay. 3.
2. 3. Go!
Pop the whole cup.
Can you put in more? I have to touch it. Oh yeah! I'm like, ew. Ew, it's so fuzzy.
Hey guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!